morning, boys and girls. Did you know that numbers live in families? Well, they do. And that's why I drew them in a house. This is our number family today, and it is 10, 4, and 6. And did you notice that the big number is in the attic? Do you know why? Because that's the bossy number, and the bossy number is the big number, and the big number is the bossy number, and it always lives in the attic. And the middle number, it doesn't care where it lives. It lives in the side, so it just stays here, and it's happy right here. And then the little bitty number just takes what's ever left, and that's usually on this side, and it's always happy to be on this side. And so when we are adding our numbers together, we don't add the big number and the medium number, or the big number and the little number. No, because the big number is in charge, and it's bossy and wants to be in charge. So we add the little numbers to make up the big number, because if you look, the 4 and the 6 makes the big number, and that makes the big number very happy, because we don't want the big number to be grouchy. So the big number is going to be what the number's equal to. So if we say 4 plus 6, it's going to equal to 10. And then you remember our turnaround number, and my pen is not working, there we go. 6 plus 4 equals 10, Mr. Bossy number. Now what happens when we do subtract? Well, the bossy number is going to be first, because we know the bossy wants to be first. So 10 minus 4 is going to equal, what do we have left? 6. And the bossy number is going to be first, of course. And 10, we've already done 10 minus 4, so we're going to do 10 minus 6 this time. Well, what do we have left? We can't do the turnaround because that doesn't work with subtraction. And we already have the 6 down here. What's left? Our 4. And that's how we do fact families. That was pretty fun. Let's do another one. Alrighty, we have a new fact family up here, and now we have our big number 8, our medium number 5, and our little number 3. So our bossy number 8 is always going to go last for addition, and is always going to go first for subtraction. That's something to really remember when we're doing our math families. So let's answer our question. Do we remember? We just did this. Do we remember? Do we add 8 and 5 or 8 and 3? No, we only add 3 and 5, because 3 and 5 is going to add up to 8. Or 5 and 3 is going to add up to 8. So let's go first. We know that 3 plus 5 is going to equal 8. Great. Our big bossy number is going to go last. Our big number goes last for addition. So let's do our turnaround rule. And what is that? Our turnaround rule means that our 5 is going to go first, and our 3 is going to go second, and our big number is going to go last for addition. So now we have 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now our big number, he went last for addition. Our big number now is going to go first for subtraction. That's kind of a funky 8. So we're going to go 8, subtract. Let's take, we took 3 first last time. Let's take 5 first this time. 8 subtract 5 equals, what do we have left? We have 3 left. So we're going to put 3, because it's our fact family. When we use 1, 2, we have to take our last one next. It's 3. And our big grouchy number goes first, because in our fact family, our big number goes first. So now we have 8, take away 3, equals, what do we have left? 5. And there's our fact families. Good job, boys and girls.